In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix your Instagram notes feature not showing. So you want to continue watching. This is going to be the best tutorial that you ever watched. So just go onto Instagram. And then as you can see, you cannot find your notes here. I have my notes, but let's say that you don't have your notes. So just go to your account. So what you want to do is click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then you want to click on settings. And then you want to scroll down and click on help right over here. And then you want to click on report a problem. And then you want to click on report problem without shaking. And then right now it says, would you like to include complete logs and diagnosis? It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to choose don't continue or don't include and continue. And then now you just want to briefly explain your problem. So I beg. And then emoji. All right, so once you contacted YouTube, just click on send. And then now in a couple days, maybe even a couple hours, you should get your notes and see this like me.